This is the most loyal dog in human history. Every single day, an Akita named Hachiko waited at Shibuya Station for his owner to return from work. One day, his owner suddenly died at the office, but Hachiko didn't stop. He returned to the exact same spot at the station every afternoon for the next 9 years, 9 months, and 15 days until he passed away himself. This incredible display of devotion moved the entire country, and today, his statue stands as a permanent reminder of the ultimate loyalty that defines the Japanese spirit.